Hi, my name is Cass.
Hi, my name is Ralph.
And this is our negosyo. Welcome to Choice.
Hi, my name is Ralph Camacho. I'm the owner and co-founder of Choice. I'm also known as Choi.
I am Cassandra Rodriguez Camacho, and I am one of the owners and co-founder of Choice, Cebu's original Squid Fries, and I'm the original Choice. We called it Choice because my husband, si Ralph, siya jud si Choi. So everyone from his high school friends and college friends or basketball friends call him Choi. And kani siya, I learned na, when we got married, I learned na lisod kay siya pakanoon. So all of his favorites are what we sell here in Choice. And one of them is squid, mac and cheese, and carbonara.
Gitawag kong Choi, it started way back high school kay tungod sa akong pamurma sa una, mura daw kanang ilang ganahan ba. Like, Choi is also known as cool in Cebuano baya. So murag nakakuan sila nga, Choi na lang mong tawag nimo. And okay ra sad ko nako kay mura sad ninot sad siya paminawon nga angga kaysa lain bitaw. So ninot sad siya paminawon nga cool ka as a person.
Hello, good morning. Here's your one bucket of Squid Fries. Thank you! The history of the business started in the height of the pandemic last year, June 2020. We are the living testimonies of when we experienced that walang-wala na jud bitaw mi. So that was our driving point where we discovered Choice. So it was a light bulb moment na we really cried to God. We really asked for His divine providence, and indeed God provides. So in every brokenness, there's always a breakthrough. So we really believed in that, and indeed na experience jud siya namo. So during pandemic, we really had no income. I was out of the pharmacy industry because I'm a registered pharmacist by profession. And I also had side gigs, side hustles in the events. But during pandemic, there were no events, and I was pregnant that time. So we learned, I was 1 month or 2 months pregnant at that time, and pregnant women are not allowed outside, so we had no choice. We really had to come up with something.
I was praying to God nga kanang Lord, unsaon may nako nga naglisod man tanan. I was praying, and thank God iya kong gihatagan og wisdom to do a business.
So then came the birth of Choice.
During that time, food business was on its peak. Kay daghan jud kayo nag-sell online. Na I was thinking, I can maybe create something wala sa market. I can have a big market share para na ako yung mga resellers and customers good. And then one time, I was checking sa freezer sa amuang house. I saw a squid nga koan. So I asked my mom nga kanang, can I process this one? Pwede ba na ako siya suwayan o timpla-timpla ako lutoon? Then I started like nag-batch ko from A, B, C mo ni siya nga timpla. Nya akong gipa-try nila. Then there was one significant nga timpla nga kanang ganahan sa tanan. After that, ugma tomorrow gyud nag-order na ko og kanang daghan-daghan. Nya ako siyang gi-standardize gyud. Then akong gi-pack, akong gi-weigh, akong gi-seal. Dito nag-start ang Squid Fries sa akong first customer, akong auntie. Akong first customer, akong silingan. Nakaingon sila nga lami man day ingana. Why not baligya nimo? Sa moto siya nag-start ang Squid Fries. Squid Fries is different from the traditional calamares for me because it is a crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. And also, ang iyang form, mas dali siya kaunon because pina-fry siya og style straight kaysa katong circle niya murag kausaon ra nimo hamong mura siya kanang mas savor gyud nimo ang taste sa squid fries. And also, dali siya i-prepare. Yeah, mas dali siya maluto. Yeah, dili siya kanang rubbery gyud mao gyud ang mong edge.
We wanted to address nga kanang adto na mo sa restaurants sa usahay rubbery si calamares or this fried squid. So we wanted to address that, and sometimes mahal pud siya when we dine in restaurants, and gamay ra pud ang pieces when served. So here in our products, it is very affordable. It's crispy on the outside, tender in the inside, and kaske siya rice. So from there makaingon gid mi nga it's really sulit for its price as well.
Our technique sa pag-perfect sa squid fries is standardization gyud sa product nya, the quality control pod kay a certain ingredient can change the taste of the squid fries kung lahi siya nga brand or unsa siya nga class, even the oil, even the coating. So it took us about 6 months and a lot of R&D para ma-perfect kinamo kung unsa siya karon. And it was not an easy task because daghan kay mga ma-waste nga money and time and effort sa R&D nya, na at times nga ang among gi-production nga daghan puro siya puro siya parat or something na kuwang siya sa lasa. So we recall those products, reprocess na mo o gi-repack na pod nga na. So nga na siya kakuting R&D niya. Thank God na abot na gid mi sa final standardization mo na siya. Dili sad siya lalim nga path among kuan for 6 months.
So what we did, we do the production at dawn, and I was pregnant at that time, so kami ra giduha ni Ralph, my husband, doing the production. So at first it was very challenging because our customers are increasing. We also had resellers. So one of our goals is makatabang mi sa mga people who also need income like us, because we experience it firsthand. So we wanted to share the blessing. So nanaghan na mo resellers, nanaghan pod amo ang market. So we had to kailangan na mo apason ang sales. So kami ra giduha ang nag-production. So from scratch, from the delivery of the raw squid to limpyo, to scraping, to cutting, and to marinating it, to mixing, and then to putting it in batches, sealing it and labeling, and entertaining customers, getting market for resellers, and then delivering it as well sa house to house, door to door to our customers. So it was very challenging, but dito na test with among marriage, dito na test among relationship, and it was very fulfilling because again we know that we were able to share the blessing, we were able to be a blessing to others as well. We started, by the way, with frozen, ready-to-cook squid fries, so that our customers can cook it in the comfort of their houses. And now, because we are happy to share that we are having a physical store now. Before, we were in one of the famous food markets in Cebu City. So now we wanted to expand and put other food products in our menu. So now that we are increasing and expanding, we're also adding crews in our team.
Karon presently, kuan nami sa mga cook na mga meals sa mga offices, sa mga balay po, and soon we will cater sa dine-in and sa mga musulod sa store. Choice offer, first of all, our best seller, the Squid Fries. And also we include Choice other favorites, the carbonara, the mac and cheese, and the cheesy bacon fries. And soon, there's a lot of products pang atangan sa atong mga customers, sa atong mga suki. Sa Squid Fries, we offer meal na naanay rice, naasad tayo meal with egg. Dayon, mo differ sad sa meal og heavy meal, og ganahan kag mas daghan ang Squid Fries. We also have it with vinegar. Kay pares gid sa calamares ang vinegar. Dayon, we also have a la cartes. We have sizes small, medium, large, and bucket. And the bucket is our best seller. It's good for sharing for 3 to 5 persons. Nauna me before the hype of Squid Game sa Netflix. So during that time, it was a very good marketing strategy for us nga i-incorporate ang Squid Game. So I took a picture of my Squid Fries and the Squid Game nga logo sa Netflix. So nindot siya nga time kay naka-heighten sad sa word nga squid ba, nagbalik-balik sa recall sa mga tao ang squid.
My advice for young entrepreneurs would be do not be afraid to create mistakes, because in mistakes we all learn. So that is also how we learned as young entrepreneurs and as young couples. So it will also test your marriage or your relationship. The only secret Ralph and I share is our forgiveness to each other, create less expectations and more appreciation to your partner.
My advice for young entrepreneurs, especially starting pa, is to persevere and don't be afraid to fail. Kay failure is the main ingredient of success, and you also learn from it. Dili lang kayo mag-fail lang kanya, wala kayo na learn. So everything started from the bottom good, and there's nothing to go but way up, ra. So I suggest you persevere good, bisan unsa pa kalisod ang ang mga challenges. Basta ganahan ka sa imong gibuhat, I guess ma-persevere ra gyud nimo. Og na kay heart mo do sa imong passion or business.